Welcome. Today, we're diving into the transformative world of Claude Code best practices. If you've ever felt stuck in a loop of repetitive prompts and unpredictable results, you're not alone. Many developers start with what's called vibe coding, reactive, prompt-driven, and often inconsistent. But there's a new approach, agentic engineering. This method leverages configuration, automation, and modular workflows to make coding with Claude smarter, safer, and more reliable. In this video, we'll explore 12 actionable patterns that can revolutionize your workflow, drawn from real-world experience and the wisdom of top engineers. Let's get started on this journey from vibe coding to agentic power. Picture this. You start every Claude session from scratch, retyping prompts, manually approving permissions, and hoping for the best. When mistakes happen, you tweak your prompt and try again. This reactive style is called vibe coding. It's inefficient and error-prone, especially as projects grow. The real issue isn't Claude itself, it's the lack of structure and reusable configuration. Without a system, you're left repeating yourself and relying on memory. The solution? Shift your mindset from chat-based interactions to orchestrated, agent-driven workflows. This sets the stage for the 12 patterns we'll cover. Let's start with your CLAUDE.md file. Many treat it like a catch-all config, stuffing in hundreds of lines of rules. But Claude's attention is limited. After about 200 lines, rules at the bottom get ignored. The sweet spot? Around 60 lines. Instead of deleting rules, use conditional tags like is less than important, if equals, language equals go, is greater than, to show rules only when relevant. Organize CLAUDE.md files by project layer root, API, internal, and command directories, each with focused, concise rules. This keeps your configuration manageable and ensures Claude applies the right constraints at the right time. Stop treating Claude Code like a simple chat interface. Instead, use the Claude directory to orchestrate your workflow. Here, you can define reusable commands, specialized agents, and portable skills. For example, create a reviewer agent with read-only access no matter what you ask. It can't modify files. This shifts constraints from prompts to configuration, reducing errors and making your workflow more robust. Once set up, you'll never need to repeat only read files in your prompts again. Context matters more than you think. By default, skills share the main agent's context, which can lead to bloated sessions and slower, less accurate responses. The fix? Use context isolation. Add context. Fork to a skill's front matter, and it runs in a clean subagent. When done, only the output is shared with the main agent, keeping your session lean and focused. No more manual cleanup or session resets, just efficient, context-aware coding. Claude Code supports hooks PreToolUse, PostToolUse, and stop that run outside the main reasoning loop. These hooks automate tasks like formatting code after every write, intercepting destructive actions for confirmation, or verifying completion. For example, a PostToolUse hook can run GoffMT automatically, while a PreToolUse hook can require explicit approval before deleting files. Hooks add a layer of safety and consistency, letting you automate routine checks and prevent costly mistakes. By default, Claude prompts for approval on every shell command a safe but disruptive approach. Enter Sandbox. It runs commands in an isolated environment, reducing the need for constant approvals by 84%. The sandbox limits system access, but for most tasks, it's more than enough. This means fewer interruptions and a smoother workflow, letting you focus on coding instead of clicking through endless prompts. Imagine running a dozen Claudes at once, each on its own branch and task. With Claude, W, and Git worktree, you can launch multiple independent Claude agents, each with its own context. Use tmux to manage multiple panes, and you're multitasking, like a pro refactoring, fixing bugs, and writing tests simultaneously. No context clashes, no waiting for replies. This is agentic engineering in action, maximizing productivity and minimizing bottlenecks. Sometimes, you need deeper reasoning. Typing ultrathink in your task description triggers Claude's high-effort reasoning mode. It's a natural language switch, no extra setup required. For complex design decisions, ultrathink surfaces, constraints, and considerations you might miss in normal mode. It's not for every task, but when you need thorough analysis, it's a game changer. Claude Code's loop command lets you automate workflows during development, not just after code is merged. For example, loop 30M, code review, runs a review every 30 minutes, flagging issues and drafting summaries while you're away. Unlike CI/CD, which only sees code after it's committed, loop works with your current state, tracking ongoing work and previous questions. This means smarter, more context-aware automation right on your machine. Ever wanted to ask a side question during a long-running task? With BTW, you can queue questions without interrupting the main workflow. Claude notes your question and answers it at a natural pause, then resumes the original task. This keeps your flow uninterrupted and ensures you get the answers you need without losing context or momentum. When building reusable skills for your team, focus on the gotchas section. This is where you document real-world failures and edge cases Claude has actually encountered. Overviews and examples are helpful, but gotchas have the highest signal they're specific, verified, and prevent future mistakes. Update this section every time you hit a snag, and your skills documentation will become a powerful tool for continuous improvement. Don't just trust Claude when it says a task is complete, verify it. Use a stop hook to trigger automated checks, like running tests or validating outputs. If verification fails, Claude continues working until everything passes. This is especially valuable for overnight or multi-session workflows, ensuring you get reliable, production-ready results without manual intervention. When using Claude programmatically through the Agent SDK, add the bear flag. This skips context discovery, slashing startup time by up to 10x. For batch jobs or pipelines processing hundreds of files, this can mean the difference between waiting 40 minutes and just 18. It's a simple tweak with massive impact for large-scale automation. So, what's the real difference between vibe coding and agentic engineering? It's not about new tools, it's about using the same tools differently. Vibe coding is reactive, relying on carefully crafted prompts and manual corrections. Agentic engineering shifts constraints into configuration files, automates workflows, and enforces hard permission limits. The result is a consistent, reliable system that doesn't depend on how you phrase your request each day. Claude Code provides all the tools you need for agentic engineering right out of the box. Agents, skills, hooks, worktrees, and loops are not advanced features, they're built in and ready to use. Most developers never discover their full potential. By mastering these tools, you can automate, orchestrate, and scale your workflows with confidence. Let's look at a practical example for Go projects. Organize your CLAUDE.md files by directory, a concise root file for universal rules, and specialized files in API, internal, and CMD for layer-specific conventions. Use conditional tags to activate rules only when relevant. This keeps your configuration lean and ensures Claude applies the right standards at the right time, improving code quality and maintainability. Agentic engineering isn't just about efficiency, it's also about safety. By defining permissions and constraints in configuration, you prevent accidental file modifications, destructive actions, and context leaks. Specialized agents can be locked down to read-only or limited tool access, ensuring that even if you make a mistake in your prompt, the system enforces the rules. This approach builds trust and reliability into your workflow. The gotchas section isn't just for documentation, it's a living record of real-world failures and lessons learned. Each time Claude encounters a problem, document it in gotchas. Over time, this becomes a powerful resource for your team, preventing repeat mistakes and raising the overall quality of your skills and workflows. Make it a habit to update gotchas regularly. When your workflow scales to hundreds of files or parallel agents, small optimizations make a big difference. Using the bear flag with the Agent SDK can cut batch processing time by up to 10x. Combine this with hooks, loops, and context isolation, and you have a scalable, efficient, and reliable automation pipeline that grows with your needs. In summary, the real leap from vibe coding to agentic engineering is about structure, automation, and using Claude Code's built-in features to their fullest. By applying these 12 patterns, you can create workflows that are not just faster, but safer, more reliable, and easier to maintain. The tools are already at your fingertips. Now it's time to level up your coding and unlock the full potential of agentic engineering.